I just wanted you guys to hear what these motors sound like after about 6 months of use with the Calvan Spark Plug insertion kit. Okay, here we are, a 6-month review of the Calvan Spark Plug insertion kit. This is the 38900. There's a 33900 for the 3-valve. This is for a 2-valve. How do you know you have a 2-valve engine? Well, typically it's everything from a 97 Ford Triton motor all the way up to about a 2003 is kind of where they started switching those things over. This is a 2000 Ford 5.4 liter Triton, and it's a good motor, but it does blow spark plugs. And all these Triton motors blow spark plugs. If you have a Ford, you're gonna blow a spark plug. It's just the way it is. So I bought this Calvan toolkit about 6 months ago, changed a spark plug on this pickup, and one of my biggest complaints was I got it fixed. It was this one right back here, and it's still holding good if you want to take a look at it now. But it's still pretty clean. I don't have any blow-by coming off of that spark plug. But then the second I fixed that one, it blew this front one out over here. I mean, it was easy fix, no big deal. But I mean, you can't really even tell. There's that. It was this one right here. But is what it will do if you have one get blown is it'll break that coil right there. So these coils come out, they pop right out. It'll break those coils. So this kit should also come with an endoscope. I mean, you have to have it. Because if you don't, you're not gonna be doing anything because you can't see down in there. You gotta have one of these. This one here, it was okay. It was the cheapest one I could find. And in reality, I've only used it on this one project. Well, we were messing around. The kids and I were messing around with it once, looking into our ears. And it needs to come with some sort of deal to stick on your air hose to get way down inside that cylinder and blow all that junk out. Two things really minor. And then the other thing to really think about before you change one spark plug is just allocate the time and plan on doing them all. Because more than likely, if one's out, there's another one getting ready to go. And fixing that one leaky spark plug that's probably been leaking for a while that eventually blew out is gonna cause an increase in compression in the other cylinders, which will then ultimately result in probably blowing another cylinder. So if you're taking it into a shop to get it done, try to have the guy work a deal for you for doing them all at one time. You won't regret it. It's the only way to do it. Also, doing it that way will save you coils. Each coils, I mean, depending on where you get them, 50 bucks up to 120 bucks for that ignition coil, because it's gonna break when that spark plug blows out. It's just the way it is. Like I said, do them all, but I only did 2. Kind of hypocritical, I know. All in all, this Calvan toolkit, don't buy it unless you get the endoscope and you get a hose to blow all that stuff out of your little holes. Be sure to double check those numbers, the 39300 versus the 38900. So that, just knowing that difference right there can save you lots of money. It might be 250 bucks, but wherever you look, I've always found the cheapest ones have been on Amazon. They're all the same Calvan toolkit. So yeah, I'll put some links down there to the cheaper ones. I will make a little bit of money off that. It won't cost you guys any extra. I get like $6 for each one each time you guys decide to buy one. That is just helping me out, which I really want to say thanks to everybody who's ever bought one of these things off this channel. Put a link to the channel that really shows how to get in there and swap these things out. I mean, the dirty nitty-gritty of it. It doesn't take that long. The first one might take you a little bit, but after you get it figured out, you'll hammer through them and nothing flat. Have a good day. Keep on fixing stuff. Save that money.